Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With Ichut in here, still about Kurdistan, yeah. So this video I want you to learn to Kurdish, speak Kurdish. Wow, I can or not, yeah, speak Kurdish. So because I love with Kurdistan, I want you learning to speak Kurdish. So let's start.
My name is Sarmat Kinani.
Sarmat
In this
Kinani.
video we're going to go through some basic Kurdish phrases. And
Basic
here we
Kurdish.
start with the greeting, saying hello,
Saying hello.
which is Salam Kurdin in Kurdish.
Salam Kurdin in
Salam
Kurdish
Kurdin.
or Salam Kurdin. Salam Kurdin. Salam Kurdin. Yeah. Right or not? Next.
I don't know if you know, in Kurdish there are two types of writing. One that starts from right to left and uses the Arabic letters, and another one uses Latin letters and starts from the left to right. And I've used the Latin form of writing in this video, in the Salam Kurdin. The two I's here are pronounced as I, very short I, like the I in fish. And there are two ways of saying hello: formal and informal. A formal way of saying hello. What's a formal way of saying hello? Salam or slow. Salam, slow.
Oh.
And an informal.
Hello for formal. Salam, salau. Salam, salau. Okay. Salam, salau. Can salam and salau, yeah. Okay. Later I make video reaction. Say Salam Kurdistan like this, yeah.
Way of saying hello or just hi or hey is hello.
Oh, informal. Hi, hey, hello, salam, yeah, hello. So easy, yeah. Hi, hello. If Indonesian, hello, hi, hey, Indonesian, yeah. In Kurdistan, hello, hello.
And slow,
Salam,
hello.
hello,
Here as you can see that E is pronounced as a, hello,
hello.
hello,
Okay,
and slow.
salam. Okay.
You should notice that slow is both formal and informal, so you can use it in either way.
Informal, hello.
Here we have how are you?
How are you?
In Kurdish, choni.
Choni. Choni. How are you in Kurdish? Choni. Choni. In Indonesia, apa kabar? So, this learn Kurdish and Indonesian, okay? And English too. 3 language. Kurdish, English, and Indonesian. You know, speak Indonesian so easy, very easy. Continue.
Choni.
Choni.
And the
Choni?
word, the phrase is actually chonit.
Choni.
But in Kurdish we
Wait.
tend to swallow.
I want you write. Where my pen? Okay. I want you write this. Speak Kurdish. How are you? Choni. And hi. Hi. Hello. Salam. Salam. Okay. Choni. How are you? Choni. Choni, yeah?
The last T.
T.
So we just say choni.
Choni.
I'm fine, thank you.
Or
Basham
Choni.
subas.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Basem. Basem ya. I'm fine. Basem. Basem. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Supas. Basim. Basim. Bashim.
Here, you can notice the S has something under it which makes it sh and not s. Bashim, supas.
Bashim ya.
The same thing under
Supas.
the C, which makes the C to pronounce as ch. Choni. Bashim, supas. Good morning. Saying to one person. Banit bash.
Benit
Morning.
Bash.
Banit bash.
Good morning. Beyanit Bash. Okay. Beyanit Bash, good morning. In Indonesia, selamat pagi. Okay. Beyanit Bash. So easy. Okay. This still easy.
Bani bash.
Okay.
You can just ignore the T.
T. Beyanit
Good morning to more than one person.
plural.
Two or more.
Singular or two.
Banitan bash. Banitan bash.
Benitan Bash.
What is your name? Nawit Chia.
Kam ya. Nawit Chia.
Nawit Chia. That's two E's. Nawit Chia.
Nawit Chia. Okay. What's your name? Nawit Chia. Nawit Chia. Nawit Chia.
My name is Sarmad. Naum Sarmada.
Noun.
This sentence literally means name my Sarmad is. That's why the name is different. Here there's an A.
Oh.
And the A goes right after the is goes right after the name.
Oh.
So the added means is. Name my Sarmad is.
Name.
That's for a name
Sarmad.
that ends in consonant letter. For a name which ends in a vowel, like Kinani, my name is Sarmad Kinani. Naum Sarmad Kinaniya. And for those names that end in a vowel,
Okay,
we
I
add ya
understand.
instead of a. Naum Sarmad Kinaniya. Name my Sarmad Kinani is. My name is Sarmad Kinani. Naum Sarmad Kinaniya.
Oh, I understand now. Name Ijuta. Yeah, right. Nawit Chia. Naim Ijuta. Wow, I can. Nawit Chia. Nawim Ijuta. In Indonesia, siapa nama kamu? Nama saya Icut. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
one
meet
person.
you.
بخوشحالم بناسينت.
Reply. Pisot Salim Binasinin. Nice to meet you, yeah.
Here, there's two E's. This one is pronounced as E. بخوشحالم بناسينت. And this one in the B. The E is pronounced as A. بناسينت.
Peace.
So any vowel that has this weird thing on it is pronounced longer. بخوشحالم بناسينت.
Peace.
And the X is pronounced as Kh. بخوشحالم بناسينت. Nice to meet you for two person or more.
Piso Salim Binasinet. Piso Salim Binasinet. Okay. Two singular, yeah?
بخوشحالم
Two
بناسينتا.
plural.
بخوشحالم بناسينتا.
Because
Or you
Salim
can just say خوشحالم for
Binasintan.
both cases, singular and plural.
Okay.
And here we are with farewell, saying goodbye.
Say goodbye.
وحافظي كردن. This means farewell, and it is a pretty long word word, but it is still a word. Have a nice day.
Wait. Say goodbye. So hafizik kelden. Right or not? Soa hafizil kelden. Soa hafizil kelden. Soa hafizil kelden. Soa hafizil kelden. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Selamat tinggal. Sampai jumpa. Soa hafizik kelden. Wow. Soa hafizik kelden. Soa hafizik kelden. Soa hafizik kelden. I can. Masya Allah. I'm so smart ya. Let's start. Next.
In Kurdish is rojeki khosh.
Next.
Rojeki khosh. The J is pronounced as J, like in French. Rojeki khosh.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Rezeki kos. Okay. Goodbye.
Kha hafiz.
Soa hafiz.
Kha hafiz.
Soa hafiz ya.
Goodbye.
hafiz.
Another way of saying goodbye for singular. Khwat lago. Khwat lago. Goodbye for plural. Khwatan lago.
Watan laga.
Khwatan lago.
Watan laga. Khwat
Both
laga
these are
and
pronounced
watan
as
laga.
a. And a very informal way of saying bye or goodbye is just bye.
Bye. Okay.
Just like in English, but the spelling is different. And as I said, this way of saying goodbye is very informal.
Very informal. Bye. So I want you very informal for you. To you. Okay. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Okay. Next.
All these between friends and family members.
Bye.
Both Hafiz and Khwatan lago for plural are formal and informal at the same time, so you can use it for both cases. And thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this video helpful. Zor spas bogagirtan yadarim sutana videolar girtibet. Sarmad Kinani and Sarmad Kinani. And have a great time. Warojeki khosh. And please leave any comment or ask me any question, suggestion.
Okay. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this video helpful. In Kurdish. Zor supas bo gue gertintan hiwa darin sultan lem videoe wer gelben. Right or not? Next, I want you learn to speak Kurdish again. Listen to. Okay, to. So thank you so much for you watching. I want you remember this because I need this for make a video reaction for Kurdistan later. Okay, thank you. Oh, supas. See you next video. Watch. Okay, later I learn again. See you next. See you ya. Goodbye. Bye ya, informal, very informal. Bye everyone. So thank you for your attention. I hope I can learn speak Kurdish because I need that ya kak ya. I need that, right? Thank you. Don't forget you comment and you like, subscribe too. Okay, see you next video. Assalamualaikum.